on the way back, I stepped off the curb, hit my toes on something hard, and fall down, go boom. Or something like that.
Good morning, everybody. It is 6 o'clock. We are up and trying to get ready to get out of here. We're in Hesperia, California.
Route.
Headed to Hermiston, Oregon.
Proceed to route start at 3 Flagged Road.
Okay. We're trying to get to Hermiston, Oregon to deliver Monday morning. It is Saturday now, so we've got plenty of time to get there. 986 miles. So we're up and getting ready. Gonna get us something to eat for breakfast real quick and then hit the road, and we will see y'all at our next stop. Bye. Well, did you have a nice trip?
Oh, you were so funny.
You gonna elaborate?
Yeah, you're funny. Quit picking on me. Because I'm early.
I'm not. Tell them what you did.
Okay, I know exactly what I did.
Ah.
Left the truck in the pre-dawn hours to get you some ice.
I didn't ask for ice.
So you can have, oh no, you don't have to ask. That's what love is. Just so you can have some ice water today. How's that ice water, by the way? So tasty. Okay, so I go in this morning in the dark to use the restroom and kind of freshen up and then get some ice and come back to the truck so we can get ready to leave. And on the way back, I stepped off the curb, hit my toes on something hard, and fall down, go boom. Or something like that. Anyway, I fell down and I skinned up my elbow.
Poor baby. It's pretty bad. He pulled a chunk of flesh out of it.
You can almost see the bone. That bad.
No, not that bad. We're in California. Lone Pine, California, headed to...
Wait. That's a lie. There ain't a single pine anywhere in Lone Pine.
That's true. There ain't a single anything here. But mountains with a little bit of snow on it.
Yep.
Trying to take some pictures. I'll put some pictures in. There's not a lot. We may run into some snow and rain and stuff in a little while. Once we get into Nevada, we still got about 150, 160 miles left in California.
At 55 miles an hour, that means we'll be here another week. Or that's what it feels like.
Yep. So we just left Walmart a few minutes ago. Had to go and restock the refrigerator, get some more water, get him some Band-Aids for his boo-boo. Got Lugnut some more treats. He's back there in the bed now, chewing on one of his treats that I got him. That's kept him occupied for the last 30 minutes or so.
Thank you.
So we are trying to get to Nevada. Trying to get some pictures now, though.
I saw that Buddhist meditation center.
Yeah, I can't remember where that was at. I can't remember the name of that little town, but
I don't know, but I'd like to look that up and put pictures of that on there.
yeah, remind me and I'll put a link to that in the description. It looked like a pretty nice place. It was really big. It was
Cool architecture. I'd like to go take a look around.
a really big place. It was nice and pretty. We picked up yesterday morning or around noon at Fisher Price in California, in Redlands, California.
Well, San Bernardino, same thing, pretty much.
Yeah, San
It's
Bernardino.
all LA.
And then we're taking it to Walmart DC in Hermiston, Oregon, for all the little boys and girls to have for their Christmas.
Does that make me Santa Claus?
I guess. It
That
could.
makes you Mrs. Santa Claus.
No. You're driving, I'm just riding.
Mrs. Santa doesn't drive a sleigh. She's not
And if
licensed.
I want to. I can do whatever I want to do.
Can you now? Can you walk to Oregon?
Yeah, I could. It'd just take me a while, but I can do it.
And I could get voided when you get there too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
'cause it would take me a lot longer to get there than it would you.
Me neither. Anything else going on?
What else have we been doing?
I don't know. We've been really pushing pretty hard the past few weeks.
Other than the family time for the birthday party last weekend,
Pushing very, very
we've
hard.
been running pretty hard.
So, we've been very busy and life has been a very hectic jumble.
We're gonna see if we can get to Nevada. We'll stop in a little while and do our 30-minute break.
That's what it looked like on the weather app earlier. But right now we have clear roads and we're good to go.
See, there's absolutely nothing out here. Nothing.
Oh, there's hills.
No reason for us to have to drive 55 miles an hour.
That's true.
Where are we? Mena, Nevada?
We're in Nevada.
We've just run into the little bit of snow and rain.
Did you get that old truck?
Yeah, I think I did, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not.
Oh.
Y'all saw that old truck that just passed us. We were gonna try to make it about another 200 miles today. Maybe this won't last very long.
Well, it's 43 degrees, it says. So, nothing should stay.